Hello everybody and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make black bean curry. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to go down and like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a black bean curry, so let's look at our recipe here. We got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion that we have finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 bell pepper, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of black beans that we have drained and rinsed, and a cup of Greek yogurt, salt and pepper to taste, and then we're going to garnish it up and make it look pretty when we present and make photographs of this. So I've got everything done, as you can see from the picture. We're going to head over to the stove and start making this. Alright, as you can see in the back, we have got our mise en place, got our spoon, got all the ingredients that are in this recipe. I've got them moved, or I've got them organized to how I'm going to use them all the way through. So let's focus back on our pan and we'll start making this. Alright, I'm going to turn it on to medium high heat, let that pan get hot, and pour our oil in, let that get hot. Alright, that pan's all, oil's getting there. Go ahead and add our onions and our peppers. Now this recipe is in the description box of this video. The link is, it goes right to my website, itsonlyfood.biz, where you will find a ton of other recipes and a little seasoning shop there if you want to check that out. But that's where you'll find the recipe for what we're making today. And again, that link is down in the description box. Let me just move this back a little bit to get it back. There we go. Alright, we'll stir this up, let these saute a little bit, and then we get the onions translucent. Alright, we see our onions are softening up and getting a little translucent. So I'm going to go ahead and add our ginger and our garlic. We're going to cook this in about 2 minutes. Let that get really nice and aromatic. Oh, it smells good already. Alright, and then we can add our other aromatics. Got our turmeric, cumin, garam masala, coriander, and our chili powder. Stir that in. Let it blend for a couple of minutes. I want to tell you, the flavor or the aroma coming off this is unbelievable. Oh my God, this smells good. Our tomatoes right here. And we're going to kind of not really deglaze the pan here, but we're going to really evolve this into something better by adding the tomatoes. Look at that rich color. Oh my gosh. And I just found out I'm standing in the light. There you go. Look at that rich color. Now it's dark. Now it's light. Alright, so what to do next? I got our beans. I'm going to add those right on in. On those tomatoes too, don't drain the juice off. Keep that juice in there. You're going to want that. And we're just going to stir these beans in. Whoop! Try not to get them all over the floor. Or your oven surface. It's clean, so I'll just put it right back in. Clean as you go. I like that. Alright, now this is where it says to add coconut in the recipe, but I used Greek yogurt instead, and that's in our recipe. Greek yogurt that coconut milk that I saw had about 12.5 grams of saturated fat, and nobody needs that. So we're going to use some Greek yogurt, which is a heck of a lot less fat and a lot better for you. We're just going to stir this in. Try not to slop it all over the... You could do this in a bigger pot, I guess, too. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on this. We're going to let this heat up. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. We're going to let this heat up, get the flavors to marry a little more. Then I'm going to plate it up, get it all nice for the pictures. We're going to take a photo shoot of it. And then we're going to come back and taste it. Enjoy the music. We'll be right back. Alright, so we've got a beautiful bowl of some black bean curry here. Get you a little shot of that. That's what it looks like right there. Got some rice, a little naan bread here. Garnished it with some sprigs of parsley. But I'm going to go ahead and start out with the actual black bean curry, which is right here. A lot going on in there. First thing I get is the richness of the flavor. It's deep with all those aromatic herbs in there, or aromatic spices. When you get that crunch, a little bit of the pepper and the onion, smoothness of the beans, tomatoes in there give a little bit of acidity. It helps with that richness in that broth that we made. We got a little rice in here too. Creaminess from the yogurt. Yeah, this is good. Very, very beautiful dish too. A lot of colors, a lot of rich depth of that color, and it transforms into that flavor too. The aroma, everything is just really, really rich. So there's one more bite. There's a shot right there. We'll let you go. Don't forget that recipe is down in the description box and the first pinned comment. I thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you fixing up?